In today's video, I'll show you how to disable XML sitemap generation in WordPress and hand over sitemap control to an SEO plugin. This gives you better flexibility and ensures your sitemap follows your overall SEO strategy. Let's begin by installing an SEO plugin. Log into your WordPress dashboard, then open the Plugins section from the left menu and click Add New. In the search bar, type the name of a trusted SEO plugin such as Yoast SEO, Rank Math SEO, or All-in-One SEO. Choose the plugin you prefer, click Install Now, and once the installation finishes, click Activate. After activation, the plugin automatically integrates with your site and is ready to manage SEO features, including XML sitemaps. Most SEO plugins automatically replace WordPress's default sitemap, but it's always a good idea to confirm this in the settings. If you're using Yoast SEO, go to the SEO menu in your dashboard and open General. From there, switch to the Features tab and look for the XML Sitemaps option. Make sure the setting is turned on. When enabled, Yoast takes full control of sitemap generation and redirects the default WordPress sitemap to its own optimized version. Once this is active, WordPress's built-in XML sitemap is effectively disabled, and your SEO plugin handles everything instead. This setup gives you more control, better customization, and improved compatibility with search engine best practices. That's all it takes. Your XML sitemaps are now managed by your SEO plugin, keeping your site organized and search engine friendly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials.